This is a 94 Miata R package with a 2001 VVT engine. Normally run this with a Mega Squirt plug and play, but I'm trying to get it to run on the stock ECU just so I can get it inspected. So wired back in the airflow meter, jumpered the fuel pump, which made no change, tossed the stock O2 sensor in, which also made no change. I'm currently running the wideband to the Mega Squirt. That's why the stock one's not there. Usually have the IAT here, so that's gone obviously right now. And the air bypass, instead of returning into the intake, is open to the atmosphere. The VVT engine has 3-wire coils and doesn't feed an RPM signal back into the ECU, where this 94, or maybe it's a 94 and a half R package, had the 4-wire coils. I'm thinking maybe that's the issue. So this is what happens when I try and start it. It'll start right up, but it'll only run for 2 or 3 seconds. And that's the end of that. Like I said, putting the O2 sensor back in made no difference. Jumping the fuel pump made no difference. I'm just wondering if it's possible to run this on the stock ECU. Any thoughts would be appreciated. Thanks.